Meet Alex. He's 34, a freelance graphic designer with a knack for turning ideas into stunning visuals. When he's not creating eye-catching logos, Alex spends his weekends hiking in the mountains or experimenting with photography. He loves capturing the beauty of nature, but when it comes to showcasing his own work online, he often feels lost in the crowd. Last year, Alex decided to take a leap of faith and quit his day job to pursue freelancing full-time. His passion for design is evident in his work, yet he struggles to communicate his brand effectively on platforms like LinkedIn. Despite his talent, he finds that potential clients often overlook him. This is where having a professional banner becomes crucial. A visually compelling banner could enhance his online presence, giving him the credibility he needs to stand out in a saturated market. With a banner that reflects his unique style, Alex could not only showcase his portfolio, but also share his story, connecting with potential clients on a personal level. Imagine the impact. Clients discovering him through a beautiful banner, engaging with his work, and recognizing his passion for design. It's more than just an image. It's a first impression that could lead to collaborations and opportunities he previously thought were out of reach. With ProfileKit, Alex could transform his online identity, making his dream of thriving as a freelancer a reality.